Welcome back. In the previous video, we created a Pandas series from a list. Pandas automatically gave the value indexes like 0, 1, 2, 3. But what if we want to give our own meaningful indexes? Let's see. So here you can see the code. Let's understand the important part of this code. We already know import pandas as PD. This imports pandas and gives it the short form PD. It is nothing but alias name, a short name of pandas. Then we create our series using marks equal to pd.series. Here marks is simply the variable where we are storing the series. Now look inside pd.series. First we have a list. There are the values we want to store. Then we have index equal to, we have taken another list and there we have taken few names of subjects. This is the new part, na? The index parameter tells pandas what labels we want to use for those values. So pandas matches them in the same order, like math 85, science 90 and English 78. When we run print marks, we get this. Here you can see the output. Now, why would we want custom index? That is the question, na? Because they are much more meaningful than the previous output. If I can show you the previous output, for example, if we want the science mark, we can directly write this. And we get the output 90. So the important thing to remember is the first list contains the values and the index parameter gives those values their labels. One more thing, the number of indexes should match the number of values or else it will throw error. Here we have 3 values and 3 indexes, so everything matches correctly. And that's how we set a custom index in Pandas series. Hope you got the concept. See you in the next session. Till then, bye and take care.